Question is, for a radioactive material, half-life is 10 minutes. If initially there are 600 number of nuclei, the time taken for the disintegration of 450 nuclei is. So here in the question, half-life is equals to 10 minutes, which is equals to ln 2 by lambda. We have to calculate the time taken for the disintegration of 450 nuclei. So the number of nuclei left after disintegration would be 600 minus 450, which is equals to 150, which is the value of n, and 600 is the number of initial nuclei, which is n naught. Then according to the formula, n is equals to n naught e to the power minus lambda t. We calculate the time to be 20 minutes. Therefore, option 1 would be the right option. Yes, option 1 is the right answer.